Across various markets in the city of Kigali, traders with essential products such as food and hygiene products say they are ready to implement new guidelines and strategies to combat the coronavirus. This comes at a time when non-essential traders who had been put on hold have also been allowed to work again. As vendors, the measures were given are to practice social distancing and maintaining 1 meter distance. Where it is not possible and there are many people, we will work in shifts and in turns, and we are ready to respect these measures. As a way of protecting ourselves from this pandemic, we are to practice social distancing amongst ourselves. Myself and my customers must be wearing masks. The customer must stand a distance from me. These measures we shall respect in order to protect ourselves and those around us. Some of the managers of the markets say that in line with these new regulations, they've also taken steps for vendors to work in shifts. Food stuff will be sold till 11 a.m. and then those that weren't working before will come in to start their shift. They will also be working in shifts. For the customers, it will be as usual where they'll follow the hygiene practices. As someone enters, they first have to wash their hands before entering the market. Markets across the are set to open on Monday, after only food and essential goods markets were the ones allowed to operate. The Minister of Trade and Industry, Hakuziyaremye Soraya, explains how the regulations governing the operations of markets are.
Ubu abemererwa kujya muri ayo masoko bahakorera ni 50% ariko bakashobora no gusimburana.
We ask that they observe 1 meter distance between them. We are only allowing 50% of the vendors in the markets at a time, meaning they shall work in shifts. For that to be implemented, we are working with security officials and the proprietors of the markets, as well as local authorities, as we've been working before during these times to see that people are respecting these measures.
Akaba rero akazi twari tumazemo n'ubundi minsi ku buryo bitazagorana kugira ngo izi ngamba zashyizweho nazo zubahirizwe.
Apart from markets, other commercial and industrial activities will also resume on Monday.